All right, everyone. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to record your PowerPoint presentation utilizing Microsoft Teams while also having your camera on while you present. So to do so, I'm going to open up my browser. This is the browser version of Teams, and of course you could use the app if you so please. And to be able to record, we actually have to start a meeting by ourselves. So in order to do that, we got to go to the left tab here and select Calendar. And you'll see towards the top right, we can click Meet Now. And we want to give the meeting a name so it'll be easy to find. I'm just going to say PPT for PowerPoint presentation. And then I'm going to do start meeting. And there I am. Hello. So you want to make sure that your microphone is on, it's selected, and your camera here. Then we're going to click join now. We're not going to invite anyone because we're just here to record our screen. So I'm going to exit out of that. So to be able to record our screen, at the top right here next to the leave button, we don't want to click that, but we want to click share. Then we're going to click screen, window, or tab. And we're going to click on window, and then we're going to select the PowerPoint presentation that we already have open on our computer. Again, I didn't mention it before, but it's important to already have your PowerPoint presentation open. I'm going to click share. So it automatically brings us back to PowerPoint, but we actually want to go back to Teams so that we could start the presentation. You'll see to the left of the camera here next to apps to these three dots here for more. We want to click on more. Then the top selection is record and transcribe. Hover over that so then we can select start recording. Obviously we're speaking English. This is for the transcription, which we might need, might not need, but it's just good to make sure that this is already in English. Choose what to record. We want to make sure that video and audio is recording because the whole point of using Teams is to utilize the video, the camera features of it. I'm going to click confirm, start recording. I want to wait till it says it has started. There we go, it has started. Now we can go back to PowerPoint. And then now we could start our presentation. We're going to go to slideshow at the top, slideshow in the ribbon. And then I'm going to click from beginning. So now we could just start presenting how you would. You use the arrow keys to go up and down. Similar to the last video when recording directly in Microsoft PowerPoint, you'll see bottom left here we have options to write on the presentation or the laser pointer. We can use this to emphasize certain things. And yeah, that is it. You just go through your PowerPoint presentation and present as you would. And once you get to the end, see a black screen, we can click that to get out of it. Then we want to go back to Teams, so then we could stop the recording. Stop the recording is the same way as starting it. We go to the three dots here, more, hover over record and transcribe, then click stop recording, stop again, and there. So now to be able to get our recording, we want to just pretty much leave the chat. I'll first do stop sharing. Then I'm going to click leave. And after you're in a meeting, if you go to your chat on the left here in Microsoft Teams, there'll be a chat for the meeting that you started. And if you remember, I named it PowerPoint presentation. Naming it just makes it easier to find when in Teams if you have a long list of Teams chats. And it'll give you the recording right away. Sometimes it takes a little bit to download depending on your computer. But we can click on the recording, and you'll see at the top right of the recording there's manage with a little settings button drop down, and this is where we can download it. You'll want to download it, of course, to be able to upload your PowerPoint presentation to wherever you need to. And that's it. That's how you record a PowerPoint presentation using Microsoft Teams.